The all-new LinkBuds speaker not only looks great, but sounds even better. In today's video, I will go over why and how you may want to use presets or equalizer settings to fine-tune your speaker. First off, let's discuss why you'd even want to change a sound. The audio landscape can vary greatly depending on what you're listening to, whether it's music, podcasts, or audiobooks. By tweaking the equalizer settings or finding the perfect preset, you can tailor the sounds to your preferences for different music genres or content. You may want to enhance the vocal clarity on a podcast by boosting the highs, or add greater depth to your music by increasing the bass for a richer sound. It's okay to leave your speaker on the default settings, but optimizing the sound settings to your style can really bring out the best of what you listen to. Here's a step-by-step guide on accessing the presets or equalizer for your Sony LinkBuds speaker. While you're at it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. First, open the Sony Sound Connect app. If you don't already have it, you'll need to download it from the App Store or Google Play. Next, connect your LinkBuds speaker via Bluetooth. You should see it listed in the app like this. Once connected, look for the Sound tab. Here, you'll find all the options. You can choose from a selection of presets tailored for different music styles like pop, rock, or classical. If you want more control, switch to the custom option. Then, adjust sliders for different frequencies until you get the sound that you want. The sliders start with bass on the left, mid-range towards the middle, and treble on the right. Next, there are a few quick tips for using the equalizer most effectively. First, just start with a preset that matches your genre. It might be just exactly what you're looking for, or you can use it as a starting point and then adjust it from there. Second, make small adjustments gradually. This will help make sure the changes you make are in balance with each other. Also, consider your environment. Your surroundings can affect the sound, so make adjustments based on where you're listening, such as a quiet bedroom or a bustling kitchen. And lastly, experimenting is key. Don't hesitate to play around with the EQ settings, and you can always reset them back to default. It's important to remember that when it comes to sound, there really is no right or wrong way to do it, just what sounds good to you. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you love your LinkBuds speaker, and don't forget to like and subscribe.